It's been a while since I've craved for some good street foods. Let's make some delicious spring roll together. At first, let's heat some oil in a pan. Once it is heated, stir fry any veggies you have at home. Here, I'm using carrots, colored bell peppers, which are also known as capsicum, cabbage, and also a handful of sweet corns. Isn't it looking so colorful? It really reminds me of my childhood when I always want my food to be as colorful as possible. Now let's season it with a pinch of salt, a mix of soya sauce, pizza sauce, and a little Schezwan tip for that extra burst of flavors. And here is the main part, the spring roll sheets. If you are not as lazy as me, you can make them at home by rolling out a thin flour dough. But if you are just like me and have no time because of your busy schedule, then you can buy ready-made sheets online. You can also add your favorite fillings to the spring roll sheets. Here I have added some chicken nuggets while wrapping it up, because that's how I love my spring roll to be, making it extra delicious. And now, just follow the steps shown in this video to wrap up your veggies with your favorite filling inside the sheets and fry them. I personally love pan frying mine for a lighter touch, but you can absolutely deep fry them for that crispier finish. Fry each side until the outer layers turns crispy and golden brown. And there you have it, easy, delicious homemade spring rolls. Perfectly crispy and oh so yummy.